In this session, I will show you how will you use some product in Microsoft Excel. What some products will do, some products is simply they multiply the arrays and then make a grand total. Like you have two arrays like this unit price and the quantities. The two arrays get multiplied, this multiply by this multiply by this. In this way, every records get multiplied by these two items and then make it a grand total like whatever grand total is. This is your sum product. Sum product work in this way. When you supply one array, then sum product will simply sum of that column, sum of that item you can say. Like use sum product or select the one array only, then you will have the sum of the total unit price, which is 12439, which is what this result is here. Now, when you first time encounter some product, it may seem boring, complex, and even pointless. But some product is an amazingly versatile function with many uses because it will handle arrays gracefully. You can use it to process ranges of cells in a very elegant way. I will show you how you will use in a very clever way. So I have to find here total sum price. Here what we have done, this multiply by this multiply by this for every record and then make a grand total. That is what 125867 is result. And now I want to show you the same. You no need to do this calculation and then make a grand total. You can use instead a sum product. Now use simply sum product with one array and then comma select the second array, then hit enter. You will have the result. This is what we have done by multiply every record and then make a grand total 125867. The same result we have here. So no need to get this column. You use simply sum product and select the first range and then select the second range. Range mean the arrays. You're gonna select the first array and then second array. But make sure your range always be selected in equal range for all arrays you're gonna use in this formula. Because I have started C5 to C33 in the same manner D5 to D33. It's not become like T32 or 34 because this makes the range different, and in this case it your result will throw an error. You will not get a result. You can see I have changed here a range. You will receive an error. Value error indicates that there is some reference cells error. That is what we have a difference in C33 and D34. It should be all D33. Then it would have a correct result. So keep this uh, point in mind while doing some product in Excel. Now, some product not only use a simple way, it can use with the conditions also. I have with one condition and state would be Chicago. State column city would be Chicago. This is your city column. Now, what we do, use some product and then select. I have to select first the Chicago city. So I'm going to select the range where your This range, under this range, you're gonna select Chicago. Now multiply the sum of product, meaning going to sum this one because it is already get product. Now I'm going to have a sum. Now I have select only Chicago and Chicago total sales price is this. You can check it manually. So select Chicago and then select the total sales price is 15,536 here and the same 15,536 here. Now I'm going with the two conditions now. Now earlier I have used a single condition, only Chicago city gets selected with this answer. Now I'm going to select the city as a Seattle and color is blue. So use Sumproduct. Again I'm going to select the city range under which I going to select this one. Then multiply. I going to select color range. Then I have to select a blue cell. Then multiply your sales column. That's it. Now we have 300, meaning city, Seattle and color is blue. You can check it manually. Seattle and color is blue. You can check only 300 sales price. That's why 300 is comes in. Now this is all about the summing part. Now I'm going to use for the counting purpose also. I have a list here with two attributes city and color, and in color range you can see a few records are blank. So I'm gonna to count how many are the blanks and how many are non-blank. So first with the blank cells count, using the same sum product, select this one now, and this is equal to blank. Now you can see we have 12 rows blank. 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 2, 11, 1, 12. And how many are not blank? Just simply copy this one and paste here and just replace this equal to not equal. We have 17 records as non-blank. So in this way, sum product is very useful. Sum product is simply the product of two records and summing of the figures whatever comes in after product of two records. You can use as a simple that sum product is having the product of one array item with the second array item and then make a grand total. Now question is arising here, how many arrays we gonna use while using sum product? Up to 30 arrays you gonna supply in sum product. Up to 30 arrays you gonna supply it using a sum product. That may be a question for interview questions like that, how many arrays you gonna use for using a sum product. Up to 30 arrays we will use in this case in sum product.